welcome to the Cutting Edge, number 22. Today's topic is LaserMethane-i, a new product of LaserMethane series.
LaserMethane-i is a stationary type methane gas leak detector which is supposed to be used in harsh environments such as in factories. Electrical and optical components are housed in a heavy-duty aluminum case, having optical aperture on the side of the case. Air injectors are equipped for aperture cleaning. Existence of methane in exhaust gas, mainly caused by misfired burners, may result in serious explosion. LaserMethane-i allows you to monitor the gas leak from a distant point, at the end of a flue, or through windows. The monitoring device will not suffer from the excessive heat as it can be placed in a distant point. LaserMethane-i is an application of LaserFalcon. In the box, LaserFalcon is connected with an interface unit. It monitors the integrity of LaserFalcon. And also, signal from LaserFalcon is translated through the interface into 420 mA industrial standard signal. Pressurized air can be supplied from the back side of the box. After cooling the components in the box, the air is injected from the front side for cleaning the optical aperture. Output through the cable is 420 mA analog leakage signals and relay contacts for alarms.
Okay, that's it for today. If you are interested in the new product, please let us know. And I hope to see you again sometime soon with another episode of The Cutting Edge. Bye-bye.